So this project, I'm going to take the Christmas project that I made and make it into something different, because I probably won't wear the Christmas project again, and so I can use the elements and parts of the outfit to make a whole new outfit that can be used or put on eBay or whatever. So you can re-upcycle things and end up with some really interesting projects. So with my handy chalk, ruler, lines on the floor and everything, I decided how long I wanted to make the skirt, and I pinned it all nice and neat so that it will be even when I cut it, so it won't be all up and down. And I put the chalk line where I want it, and I just need to cut it and then decide how I want to do the waistline. So after tearing everything apart and getting this skirt top made with the elastic waistband, I decided to add some lace here, and I'll be adding some more lace to it, and I'll explain the reason and the choices later on in the video, so stay tuned for the rest of the video. So I've put orange lace at the top, white lace in the middle, and left the green on the bottom, and did the same thing for the top part, making it an off-the-shoulder look. And that will be my St. Patrick's Day outfit, with the same colors in it as the Irish flag, except the orange is a little lighter. But orange, white, green, orange, white, green. So next step is trying it on, and it was all hand sewn on lace, and that was the project. So since last video part, I changed it around a little bit. This wasn't working as an over the shoulder, so I've added a couple of straps and just changed the lace up a bit. And I don't know if you can tell, but it's an orange lace, the white lace, and then the green, which are the colors of the Irish flag. So the back of the skirt's a little bit similar but different in that that last piece of lace goes down a bit. And this is my St. Patrick's Day outfit with all the hand sewn on lace in just the right colors for St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Thank you for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Have a wonderful day. Happy St. Patrick's Day.